today. You got your retribution of the fact that the Supreme Court has said that it is satisfied with the infrastructure and the security that has been put in place in terms of data. I've got retribution of the fact that the Supreme Court has said that if I don't want any sort of subsidy from the government, I needn't link my Aadhar with any bank account or SIM card or anything else. So, on a rare occasion, Vinit Goenka, both you and I have won today.
This is the beauty of democracy, probably, where even the judges in Supreme Court can have difference of opinion when they are predicting a judgment. And I think that is the beauty of this particular country, where judges can freely comment on what the executives have decided. And this is victory of 125 crore people, minus the minority which has a statistics pleasure in commenting anything which is coming from the central government. So I think only chase beating will be done by some minority, which is the microscopic minority which will be there. But anyway, if you see, we will all have to wait for the entire judgment to come up, because right now what we are doing, each of us is doing, is line by line reaction on the judgments coming as they are coming up. So we'll have to wait till the entire judgment comes out and then understand the judgment in toto. I would like to also say that this is more or less, the belief which has been there in the central government, the policies of the central government which has been reiterated by the Supreme Court. The entire scheme of EIDA is more or less for the larger benefit of community. It is for the transparency. It is nothing to do with surveillance that has been established here. And today in 2018, it will be hard to say that you make a law and forget it. Today, as the technology advances, as the mankind progresses, we will have to debate every law, every policy which is there on a dynamic basis. Probably that's what has been coming out of this particular judgment. And I am happy that more or less whatever has been done in the last 4 years has been upheld. We have case where the judgment has been discussed on privacy, it has been discussed on linking, it has also discussed on the security of this. Now all these people who were opposing on various counts, the architecture as a problem, they have been shut down. The people who are talking about privacy issue, they have been shut down right now. The linking of PAN card. Now I heard one of the panelists saying that the banks are not been linked. Let me just remind you, Faye, the PAN card linking is there with Aadhar, and bank account opening with PAN is there. And then you file an ITR which has details of your bank. So more or less the details are there with the authorities when it is required. And a genuine person, an honest person need not worry. That was my line from the day one I used to come on your panel. Maybe more than 30 times I have come on your panel. Every time I used to say, those who are genuine, those who do not have anything to hide, need not worry about this particular linkage. Only those who have something to hide have to worry about this. I only have one thing which I would like to share with Anupam ji. He's a very learned man. He's a very capable man. But one thing, when you believe in some other person, huffing and post, and you comment on the judges, it shows the white supremacy which you have. The slavery which is there in the mind is still not gone.